1. Identify your purpose. Determine what you want to achieve by using ChatGPT. 2. Access the model. There are multiple ways to access ChatGPT. You can visit the OpenAI Playground at https://play.openai.com and interact with the model directly. 3. Formulate your input. Once you have access to ChatGPT, think about how to structure your prompts or questions. 4. Submit your input. Enter your prompt or question to ChatGPT and wait for the model to generate a response. 5. Iterate and refine. If the initial response from ChatGPT doesn't fully address your needs or if you require more information, you can iterate by providing follow-up questions or clarifications. 6. Use system messages. Optional in the playground or via the API, you can use system-level instructions to guide the behavior of the model. 7. Be mindful of limitations. While ChatGPT is powerful, it has limitations. It may sometimes provide incorrect or nonsensical answers. 8. Respect ethical guidelines.